All right, guys, we are in Vegas with the boys. They're all behind us. We got Seabass, we got Alimo, we got Jake Frank, we got Spencer. Gonna do a little bit of real estate tours today. I've been looking into spending my money elsewhere to get other streams of income. Real estate is one of those. And my friend, Blau, a big DJ, awesome guy, is gonna take us around Vegas. Some cool stuff. Decided to take the Rolls and the 812 to Vegas, and that fully explains why I'm so happy. With the Speciale, I could barely drive it to go get gas to fill the car up because I was worried about miles. With these cars, I really don't care, and this is the most comfortable daily driver car I've ever had. And then it turns out, like, what would you say? The 812 is stupid comfortable, right? Yeah. Like, it's a supercar, but it's also like, it's nice and smooth. You hear that, boys? Another Ferrari in the house. Sounds too good. It sounds too good. Houston pulls up in a Chevy Equinox.
That's what I needed. I needed a Chevy Equinox in my life. You know?
Yes, you did. What are you up to later?
Nothing. I was gonna go eat.
All right, hit me up when you're done eating.
Hey.
What the? Dude, that thing looks like a land yacht taking off. That is like a ship cruising out to sea. Is that a... Yes! Oh no, it's a 392, we're good. Well, that was Alcat. Big shout out to my boy Westbank. He's got an absolutely sick 720S, tuned by Gentani. The thing is wild, but he let me wear his steel 5726 white face Patek Philippe for the day. Love this thing, man. This is gorgeous. Okay, Justin. I see the houses in your neighborhood. I'm switching careers. All right, guys, so this is my buddy Justin.
What's up?
At Blau or 3LAU. How much do you get that? Like,
some people say 3 Lau, some people say Blau.
I thought it was 3 Lau, so that shows how much I know.
Good friend.
Anyway,
Good friend here.
Anyway, no, not. I thought it was originally years ago.
Before we were friends.
Not.
So that's okay.
Yeah.
So we're good.
All right, so we're doing a little like mini crib tour. He just got a new house. I'm so jealous. Totally out of my price range for houses, but it's pretty cool. And this is his car. Freaking beautiful. You like your Astons, huh?
I love my Astons.
Okay, cool. So his ceilings are like pretty tall.
Yeah, we gotta fill this with smart. Definitely gotta fill with smart.
I can paint for you.
You can?
Yeah.
I'm scared. I'm very scared.
You could give me a paintbrush and I'll put some stuff on the walls.
Oh yeah.
I bet you'd like that.
Oh yeah.
Dude, the architecture of houses here are incredible.
This is the newest.
This is
all of Las Vegas. This is the newest shit.
Look at that. It's like some blue geometric pattern. I've never seen houses like. What is that guy driving? Look at that, guys. Oh my
Another.
God. All right, nice whips in the neighborhood. That is gorgeous.
This one is sick. These are all 5.
Wow.
These are all 5 costs.
I always love, you know, window shopping for stuff you can't afford, but someday it's inspirational. Oh my God. I love this house. Oh my God. Look at these.
So you're really on the best neighborhood.
Dude, you're gonna convince me to move to Vegas. What are you doing?
Dude, this is the best. Look at what you get here, man.
It is unbelievable, guys.
In LA,
like,
this is double the price.
I love LA. I love it. The car scene there is amazing. The weather, the roads. But Vegas, like, there's also incredible roads. There's good weather. There's stuff to do. And the price of houses is quite appealing. Wow. What a lineup. What a random lineup. You look good in that car with that Billie Eilish sweater on. How crazy is this, guys? We're doing house shopping in a random neighborhood in Vegas, and all of a sudden, we realize this is my boy's house. Look at his freaking, this is Bet with AJ. Look at his 720S, that GT3 RS, and then that beautiful twin turbo Huracan. Wow.
We could just park over there and run the street. Dude, this is lit, yo.
Yeah, we do. I am in love with Las Vegas. Like, look at that.
This is 900.
So we just did. Oh, good call. We just did some quick math. That one has 500.
Yeah, this is VF tune.
Oh, yes. Let's go. Let's go. Well, no, my boy Alex is first, but I'm sorry about it. I'm sorry about it. We've got 4,700 horsepower sitting right here. That's pretty sick.
This place just gets better and better.
It just keeps getting better. Yeah, let's do it, dude. You want a selfie? I'm zooming in real slow. Bro, these exhausts.
Unobtainium welding.
That's the unobtainium stuff.
Unobtainium, titanium welding.
And it's VF tune too?
That is VF.
Let's go.
The first one in the country, actually.
Heck yeah.
900 horsepower, yeah.
What's it?
He knows.
I know.
It's
VF
crazy
knows what they're doing. Yeah, hell yeah. He's just flexing all his exhausts on me. So this one's cool too on the 3. Oh my God.
I know, right?
Wow.
Now we're neighbors, bro. Shit.
I do that.
No, for sure, brother.
Yeah, say it out loud on the vlog.
What?
This is Blau's number. Dude, what's gonna happen when I apparently move to Vegas now? You boys coming with, or like what's going on? Let's do it.
Think it has to be a move.
Oh, wait. What's that about?
Hey, don't film me. I'm in. Whoa.
No.
He turned the camera around. Wait.
I'm dead. All right, so like in the last couple of videos, a lot of people have commented that I've clearly lost my mind and I'm acting totally different. The reality of the situation is, this is how me and my friends have acted for the last 15 years. I just don't show it as much on YouTube. But if you're digging it, well, you better be digging it. You don't have a choice.
Little barrel.
How are we feeling about AJ's house, dude? This is so sick. Look at all the whips parked out there. That is ridiculous. Wow. Oh my God. I didn't realize you lived here, man.
I know,
dude, your house is so cool. Congratulations.
Thanks for coming by.
Of course. We literally saw the whips parked there as I'm doing some house shopping. I'm like, wait, I know that guy.
Right?
So we're standing out. We're standing over there on the balcony, and this guy comes out and is like, whose cars are those? Turns out he owns like the biggest exotic car dealer in all of Vegas. And he's just a neighbor. Excuse me, the.
I just gotta say, this super fast is maybe my favorite color.
Yeah, isn't it sick?
Unbelievable.
That spec, like, I'm talking at the dealer. I talked to somebody and he goes, look man, like I know it's a crazy good deal that we can get you on that, but we could also get you another one, brand new with 0 miles for 20K under sticker. And I was like, I really don't care. I need that.
That color, oh my
I need
God.
that specific color.
And the interior is stunning.
Yeah.
And the steering wheel,
Yeah,
oh my
you like that
God,
steering wheel?
mind-blowing.
Ferrari.
Party in the back.
What do they do in the front? Business or? Nah, just drifting. Drifting in the front, party in the back.